Hey traders, it's Taylor back again. I want to show you a second entry short here and also a little double test. Got in on a limit here, and the ATR is a little bit higher today, so we're actually going to go for 9 ticks. I've been swapping back and forth between the June contract and the September contract, so I just barely got in this in time. I had been looking at the other one at the September at this time, but my automated strategy triggered that break-even stop loss. It usually triggers at 8, so that's why it went ahead and triggered. Hopefully we'll just get the scout and don't have to worry about it. So yeah, we had this micro trend working down, break and 2 legs back to the key entry point that we did just break, but right back at that key entry point, and also at the EMA as usual. Perfect bearish bar, great setup bar as well, and we do get the scalp. Move my runners to break even. We're kind of in this little range, working in this little range here, and you can see there's 3 attempts to go higher. Draw this resistance here. Zoom out so you can see the whole picture. We had this spike in channel down. There was a huge spike this morning. I think it's when the CPI and inflation numbers came out, and it was seen as bad news. So the market shot down very quickly, and it's been in a downtrend pretty much since then. Let's see if I can take this first runner at the range lows, try to just get about 5 points out of it. Looks like they may get a runner. And like I mentioned, this is if this channel is correct, it's a couple ways to draw it, but I don't think it starts from the top. You can see where it started there, but there's a couple ways to draw it. This does look like the first break, though, in my opinion. So we should retest these lows. And then we could range or reverse or continue down. We'll see. After this huge spike down there, if I'm being honest, that we're probably not gonna see much of an uptrend today. Probably either just range or continue lower. I really like the way this setup looks. If you watch these prices form, you could see it try to push higher 3 times. And then combine that with a second entry. I mean, this is a rather clear setup in my opinion. What else? We're coming off the range highs as well, so looks like we should push just a little bit lower, at least to the lows, the range lows. We are close to that, but given this micro downtrend that just had that break, I think we'll push back down to these lows again. And we already did, really, at least for a scalp, so we're covered on that, but hopefully we can push a little lower and get one of these runners. Volatility is back up a good amount today, but the volume, though, it's not very high. It's moving very slow. It was quick pre-market after the news, but it's really slowed down now. And our runner gets hit there. Almost got it. We were a couple ticks away from the first one, but it's the way it goes sometimes. Yesterday we got silver runners, so anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and everybody have a great weekend. Thanks.